In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install and use Gemini CLI completely for free. So first of all, you need to go to any browser, and in the browser, search for Gemini CLI, press enter, and here you can see GeminiCLI.com. You need to click here. Then here you will see this docs option. You need to click on docs. Then here you can see Gemini CLI quick start. So click here, then go down and you will see a command over here. So you need to copy this command and run it in your command prompt. And before you run this command, you need to have Node.js installed on your device. So just search for Node.js and go to this link, nodejs.org, and from here click on download, and you need to download the Node.js LTS version, and you just need to download this and then install Node.js. And installing Node.js is really simple. I already have Node.js installed, and if you want to check whether you have Node.js installed or not, you just need to go to the search option right over here, CMD, then click on this, and if you just write here Node-v, press enter, it will show you the Node.js version. And if you see the version, it means Node.js is installed in your device. So I'll assume that you have Node.js installed, and once you have Node.js installed, all you need to do is that you need to copy this command, and this command will install Gemini CLI globally in your system. So I already just copied this, and right now what we'll do is that we'll go to the Windows search option right over here, CMD. Here you can see command prompt. Click on this. Let me just zoom in, and here we're going to paste the command. After this, we're going to press enter, and it will install Gemini CLI in our system. So it will take couple of seconds to install. So there you can see this done. It added 32 packages. So right now, what we're going to do is that we're going to close this command prompt. Then we'll go to our folder location. I'm going to create a folder over here. Let me just right click here, then click on new, then click on folder. Let's say here Gemini project. You can name this anything, this folder name. Then we'll go inside this folder, and in this folder location, I'm going to say over here CMD, then press enter. So it will open a command prompt again. And from here, we're going to have access to the Gemini CLI. So how can we get access to the Gemini CLI? We need to say over here Gemini. You just need to say this, then press enter. And you will see something like this. So here I didn't logged in. So normally it will ask for you to log in. So right now here in this command prompt, I'm going to say over here /auth, then press enter. And here it will show us few options. So choose this option, login with Google, because this is the most simple one. So I'm going to choose this, then press enter. So it will open in browser. So right now you need to choose your email address, then click on next. And here you can see authentication successful. So right now let me just minimize this, and here you can see it says authentication succeed. So from this Gemini CLI, we can create any kind of project. So let's say I want to build a simple blog website for a anime called, let's say, One Piece. This is the anime I like to watch normally. So press enter. Okay, I should have mentioned I want to create it using HTML and CSS. But let's see what language it choose. So there you can see that it generate a plan, and it is going to use React with Vite. I think everything is fine, but I want to use only HTML and CSS, and it is asking, is this plan good for you? So I'm going to say the plan is good, but use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. Then press enter. And here it is asking us a permission. So here we're going to choose this option. Yes, allow always. Then press enter. So let me just show you. There you can see it created index.html file, and it also creating a few more file over here as well. So right now I'll just fast forward the video and let me just make it a little bit of smaller. And there you can see it is complete. So right now let's go and see what it did. So I'm going to minimize this, and here you can see index.html. I'm going to double click here, and there you can see it added a simple blog website for on page, but I also want some image. So right now, there is one more thing that you can do is that you can use Gemini CLI with VS Code as well. So let me just open Gemini CLI using VS Code. So right now, let me just open this project using VS Code first. So I'm going to open the Visual Studio Code. Here you can see. So right now I'm going to click on File, then click on Open Folder, and our project was in local disk G, and the project name was Gemini project. I'll select this, then click here, select folder, and there you can see it opened over there. So right now, you can also install Gemini CLI in Visual Studio Code as well. So right now, after opening the project, you need to go to the extension section. So click here, then search over here, Gemini, and here you can see Gemini CLI Companion. Then you need to install this. Yes, trust and install. So there you can see it is installed. So right now let me just close this and let me go to the file location. So right now I'm going to click on view, then click on terminal, and here I'm going to say Gemini, then press enter, and there you can see it's done. And if you face some problem, like if you write Gemini and if it didn't show it over here, then you just need to copy this command and paste it in the terminal. Okay. So now let's go and modify our website. So I want to add images here, right? So here in this Gemini CLI inside the VS Code, I'm going to say add some image in the website from the enemy on page. Then press enter. Mm. So here you can see it added the images here. So you can add your own images if you want. All you need to do is that just upload the image and tell the Gemini CLI to replace the images. So yeah, this is how you can install and use Gemini CLI, and it's completely free. I hope this tutorial was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.